Good Sunday night, everyone, and thanks for joining us. It was a beautiful day across the valley. We had a mix of 30s and 40s for our high temperatures, well above average, which is only in the 20s, and even at this time, still quite comfortable. 31 degrees in Fargo under clear skies. Wind is out of the southwest at 9 miles per hour, and currently in Moorhead, 32 degrees. We have lots of 20s and 30s still on the board, so an above average evening is in the making as well. We're at 32 in Detroit Lakes, 27 in Thief River Falls, 33 in Bemidji and Baudette, Jamestown at 33 as well, 29 in Devil's Lake. Satellite and radar also much quieter as the clouds have now made their exit, and with the clear skies and some relatively light winds, there might be some pockets of fog by tomorrow morning. But I want to turn our attention to midweek. First alert weather days for both Wednesday and Thursday, and here's why. This is a comparison of two models that I'm about to show you. This first one is the American model. So Wednesday at lunchtime, 12:25 is this first pause point. We're mostly quiet, but by dinner time, we start to see some rain and snow move in, but the primary time frame is late. This is now by 11, seeing some areas of some heavy rain, mixed precipitation, and some heavy snow on the back end of that through Wednesday night and into Thursday. This is commute time Thursday morning, some heavy snow from the American model before it exits by early to mid-afternoon. This is the snowfall potential from that American model. This has even changed within just the last couple of hours, guys, and it's very inconsistent even with the last model run, and this model has actually been fairly inconsistent over the last several days. The European model, it started at the same time frame, lunchtime Wednesday, most of us mostly quiet, but then this one's a lot slower to move in. This is now 4 o'clock. Let's fast forward a couple hours to dinner time, seeing just some light snow with the bulk of the activity down to the south and east, as the main area of low pressure with the European model is farther off to the east. So some light to maybe some moderate snow late Wednesday, but wrapping up by early overnight. So the American model has it lingering for at least 12 hours longer than the European model, and the European model has a lot less snowfall potential, less than an inch for widespread snowfall. So which model do we go with? Well, it really depends. The European model has a lot more computer power generally than the American model, and in the past it's had a really good track record for winter weather in our region. But the GFS, the American model, that one's operated by the National Weather Service, and it went through a major facelift over the last year, and it has done fairly well for our summertime storms and the last couple of bigger events that we've had. So we'll definitely fine tune this, and so stay tuned with us through the next several days. There's still a lot of inconsistency between those models, so it'll be interesting to see. Temperatures tomorrow, though, another mild day with 20s and 30s with even some 40s along the international border. Now for your 7-day planner, we stay mild into Tuesday as well with some decreasing cloud cover. Wednesday, ahead of a warm front, we could warm to close to 40 degrees, but then bam, it turns cold. And that's the one thing we know for certain with this system, is it's going to turn very cold behind it, and windy Thursday as well, so it's going to feel a lot colder. So get ready for a system that'll impact the northern plains. Again, we're keeping a close eye on it, model run after model run, because there's been a lot of change and inconsistency, which is frustrating for a forecaster, but we're still several days out, so not too worried.
Yeah, and those 30s and 40s is such a tease.
Right?
So you just dump back down to 15. Like, oh my gosh. All right. Thanks so much, Summer. Still ahead, a photo belonging to